They are so good, and I really hope you guys like them. I also wanted to show you guys something. My grandma made this for Christmas. It says Stella's Baking Adventures, so thank you for that. And let's get into the video. The ingredients you'll need today are chocolate chips, flour, cornstarch, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, a stick of butter. Make sure that your stick of butter is like soft, so you might want to let it sit out for like 15 minutes or pop it in the microwave for like 10 seconds. You'll need 1 egg, baking soda, brown sugar, peanut butter, smooth or crunchy, oats, mini M&Ms, and that's all. The first step to making your cookies is adding 1 cup of brown sugar, adding in a ½ cup of peanut butter and a stick of butter, and mix it for a little bit. So let's do that now. Make sure after a couple of stirs that you scrape down the sides so that everything gets mixed in. After it's mixed well, it should become a light brown color. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 egg, so let's do that. In a separate bowl, you're going to add 3/4 a cup of flour, 1/4 a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients and make sure it's all incorporated on low. In a bowl, we just added 1 cup of M&Ms, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and 1½ cups of oats. And now we're going to add that into our other mixture. So let's do that. I'm going to take this off of the mixture because we're going to hand mix this. Now we're going to be making whatever size cookies you want, really. I'm going to be making medium-sized cookies with this medium-sized spoon, but you guys can use a cookie scooper if you want to, or you can use like a small spoon, whatever you want to use. This batch made about 23 cookies. Now, for this part, when you're putting them in the oven, make sure you have adult supervision so you can put them in the oven because you don't want to burn your hands. I've done this once and it hurts. Let's put them in the oven. Your cookies need to bake for 10 minutes, so I'm going to set an alarm on my Alexa. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Our cookies just got done and we let them cool for a little bit. and they look and smell so good. So let's do a little taste test with you guys. This is so good. Hey guys, these cookies were so good, and I hope you enjoyed them too. I'll see you guys next time on Stella's Baking Adventures. Bye!